In this video, I will show you how you can generate AI wallpapers for your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just open the app drawer and from here just go to settings. Under settings, just scroll down a bit and tap on wallpaper and style. Now on this page, just tap on change wallpaper. From here, if you scroll down a bit, now over here you will find all the different options so you could create a wallpaper for your Samsung phone. For example, you have the option for weather, and if you select this option, you can select any photo as the wallpaper of your Samsung phone, and Galaxy AI will change the weather in the photo based on the weather in your geographical location. After that, you have the option for Creative Studio, and from here, if you tap on Create Wallpaper, you will be able to select an art style for your wallpaper. For example, I'll select 3D cartoon, and from here you can describe the wallpaper which you want to create. For example, I'll enter this prompt. Now if you tap on Generate, Galaxy AI will generate a custom wallpaper based on the prompt and the art style which you have entered. Just like that. Now if you like the wallpaper, you can tap on Done, but if you did not like the wallpaper, you can just swipe on the left side and you can tap on Generate More. Now once you're satisfied with the wallpaper, you can tap on Done and you can set it as the wallpaper of your phone. Now finally, you have the option for Generative. Now if you tap on Generative, you can select a wallpaper from here. For example, I'll select this option. Now you can customize the prompt of this wallpaper based on your liking. For example, instead of this type of flowers, I'll select butterflies, and instead of orange, I'll select blue. Now if you tap on Generate, it will customize the photo which you have selected. Now after you customize the given prompt, you will be able to generate a custom wallpaper based on the prompt which you have customized. If you like a wallpaper from here, just tap on Set, and you can set it as the wallpaper of your Samsung phone. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.